Welcome. In front of me I have ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can check the number of apps opened during the day. So at the first we have to go for the settings, next we have to go for the digital well-being, and then let's go for the unlocks. And as you can see here, we got the option times opened. So in your case it will probably set up on the screen time. You have to choose the times opened, and as you can see I opened WhatsApp 34 times, Opera 32, settings 26, Facebook 17, file manager 12, the same for the messenger, almost for the bold food. And as you can see here, we can check every app that they have on our smartphone for each day, and of course for the other days. And here we get also all unlocks. So as you can see, that's how we can make it, that's how we can change the date and pick the date when you want to check it. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!